My name is Phil Shigo, and I'm a Vice President of Business Development and Technology Alliances for ExtraHop. ExtraHop is a cybersecurity company. We have been around for the last few years offering a SaaS-based network detection and response solution. And we basically look at the passive network traffic and determine where we see anomalous behavior based on activities that we observe in our cloud machine learning models. And we are purchased by large enterprises across the globe. ExtraHop is a mid-stage growth company. We have started our marketplace journey by asking customers how we can offer more flexible payment options and solutions for them. And important for many of our enterprise customers are the committed spend agreements that they have with many cloud service providers. Marketplace really provides a vehicle for us to provide flexible purchasing options for them, and Tackle's been super instrumental in us setting up our initial listings. For us, the biggest advantage to cloud marketplaces and to our relationship with Tackle is the ability for us to be able to offer flexible purchasing options and to be able to work with customers in a very different manner than we have before. Tackle provides us with insights about what's happening with cloud service providers, allows us to have more articulate and thoughtful conversations with customers who are considering, in many cases, their first purchase through a marketplace. For ExtraHop, we're a pretty lean team. We focus on conversations that are happening with considerations in the field, and we don't have the type of expertise, nor do we have the time to invest in the cloud service provider changes that occur to marketplaces. So Tackle provided a very important solution for us in being able to give us insights into how each of the cloud marketplaces work across the major cloud service providers. The benefit of being a marketplace advisory board member has been really through the peer-to-peer conversations that happen. Many of us share the same concerns, the same challenges, and being able to bounce questions and challenges off of the group and to be able to learn as a community has been super invaluable for our ability to make decisions based on insights that we have found ourselves and that we've found to be also the same situation for other alliance managers as well. So one of the things that we've been doing at ExtraHop to build our relationships with cloud service providers is really getting disciplined about uploading opportunities into tools like ACE. And that has responded very favorably with our teams in the field. We see that many of them are doing now a higher volume of transactions as a result of the conversations that are spawning through that opportunity sharing. So the marketplace motion is new. It's new to many sellers, and it's new in some cases to even people that work on business development and alliances. So for us, Tackle provides an essential bridge for us to be able to understand the important ways that we can articulate the value of those marketplaces to our field sellers so that they can understand how better to interact with their counterparts at companies like Amazon and Google and Azure. And being able to articulate a story about our ability to integrate more closely with their first-party offerings. As cloud marketplaces have become adopted, the role of business development has changed significantly. So one example of that would be our ability to now have conversations with our head of sales and our leaders who run channel in the field has changed significantly as more and more consulting partners start providing marketplace opportunities to transact with their customers. ExtraHop is a company that does a lot of its business through the channel and through value-added resellers. So for us, important in that evolution as a function, business development has helped to make the conversations between those consulting partners and the cloud service providers one that has resulted in a lot of new opportunities to transact in ways that are new to our sellers. Our cloud go-to-market activities around this next fiscal year will increase significantly as we start to look at more ways to bring channel solution providers together around best-of-breed offerings. And we look forward to those opportunities to bundle best-of-breed solutions together and to transact through the marketplace vis-a-vis those consulting partners. Today, our cloud service provider revenue that we generate through Marketplace is a relatively small contribution to our total revenue, but we are seeing that grow leaps and bounds. In fact, in this last year, we've seen more than double-digit growth from Marketplace transactions, and we expect that to increase going into 2023. The success metrics that we look at ExtraHop for our transactions going through marketplaces are how many of those sourced opportunities we're actually converting into new customers. New logo growth is essential for any ISV, and we're seeing that grow leaps and bounds. We're seeing, in fact, numbers of increases on sourced opportunities coming into us from the cloud service providers, which is super encouraging and is causing us all to lean in more on Marketplace as a vehicle for transacting in the future with customers. Tackle's been a very important part of our success as an ISV transacting through cloud service marketplaces. We've looked to them for insights and guidance, and because of where they sit and because of the types of interactions that they have with each of the major cloud service providers, we're able to make better, faster decisions as a company and adjust our go-to-market activities accordingly. And so we are incredibly thankful that we have Tackle as a partner.